one of those cringy TikTok people who try to make their voice sound deeper.
That's a pretty good intro. I want the other manic mansion. Screw you!
Oh, you started recording again. I'm a woman. I'm a woman.
What?
I'm a woman. She ugly jiggly.
Alright, well I'm ready for a tornado. Tornado. I'm ready for a tornado to come up and murder us. Oh, flash flooded.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Seek high and stable ground. Okay, how stable is this? Do you think this is stable?
No.
Oh, I'll make it more stable. Yeah, stand on top of me.
There we go. You just floated. It's first like, wait, how do you move? Is she gonna jump? I wouldn't blame Luffy that I'd do the same thing if I was given the opportunity. Maybe. Oh, there she goes.
Everyone just standing on top of the floating guy.
She ugly fat noob trash. What is going on in chat right now?
Well, I'm ready for the thing to just tumble over and then
Is your no? Oh no! We will be the only survivors.
Let's go, we survived!
Oh, your mom fat. Carrie, you fat, shut up.
Yeah, we survived! Yeah, let's go! We survived! Yay! That was amazing.
Hey, look, it's Autumn, the insanely tall woman. Oh! No!
What happened? What happened? You just flew into the sky?
What the hell is going on, chat? All women bleep Lennon, go to the kitchen, fat, all machistas. Oh, you sexist too? Okay. Bleep. Oh, that's not good. Your mom don't like you, Lennon. Let's kill bleep.
Alright, when's the tornado coming?
Lennon is
volcano. That's pretty cool.
Your mom hates you.
A volcano.
Can I jump on it? Can I jump on
You probably die of fall damage. Yeah.
Can I jump in it? Yes, she does hate. What? You don't want to check it. How do these
Come on, time to jump on, then you can get on.
Let's see if I can get it. And I think you're used to it. Do that. You're used to it. Luke fixed it.
Mr. Luke.
And I did
I'm just gonna chill here. And eventually volcanic brick will hit me. Maybe. You know, this is how a real volcanic eruption goes.
Please let it land in the lava. It'll be so fun. Oh, I made it go through her. That's cringe.
I have seen a volcanic brick in the lobby before, and is that dead now? I died.
This person looks extremely edgy attacking.
I want to get hit by a volcanic brick water in the lobby. I want to get hit by a volcanic brick in the lobby. Come on, man. I'm dead.
Not fat. What the hell is going on? I'm a bodybuilder. Yeah, that sounds cat.
Hey Josh, come on, come up.
Oh yes, let's go on top of you. Let's see if I can make. I am so bad.
Ow!
They're all fat. I don't understand people. How do people manage to start a fight out of all games this?
Hey
like,
Josh,
how?
come down to me.
I know what you're planning. I'm not falling for that.
Come down. No, come down.
Hey, look.
No, come down. I'm not gonna do it.
It's someone that named.
Come down. I won't do it. Come on, come down.
I don't trust you. I think that person tried to. Are you dead? Where are you? Oh, you're right there. Wait, you're dead.
Wait, that's to my HP.
I don't know.
Wait.
I can push you.
What the hell?
I can push you. Oh, I think I got you stuck. What happened would you be unglitched? What happened would you be untapped? Oh, you're dead. What the heck? Hey, look, it's
Come on, man. Come on.
That doesn't look like a gun right there.
You really just have to kill me like that. Come on. Why were you literally able to push my body around?
I don't know. Let's go to heights. Oh, I'm getting out of here. I regret my life's choices.
You just explode randomly.
Yeah, I cannot wait until I just explode randomly from being near a park.
I want to watch your video. That'd be really funny.
Yeah. And the one when I just got flung.
I think the funniest part is when you were just pushing me around. Also maybe the part where I was just floating above. And then also maybe the part where you were just floating above. When I was just floating above and you got on top of it.
Yeah.
What if I didn't stop though? But that guy's clearly hacking.
Ooh.
The guy just jumped all the way from here to there.
Oh wow, we're gonna be doing the hack. That's so cool. So look, it's Lennon 1, 2. Hey, look, it's Lennon Thin. It's Lennon Book, and look, it's Patrick. I cannot wait till this video gets copyrighted, and then I'll get taken off of YouTube for mentioning a name that's copyrighted, probably.
SpongeBob. Mr. Krabs.
You really want me to get taken off of YouTube, don't you?
Plankton. Shredy Boy.
Oh no, the worst one of all. No, the game is all for us, guys. I am angry. I am not ugly or fat.
I'm angry. I'm not ugly or fat. Do you like Beatles? Hurry up and get ready.
Beatles?
Oh, this guy just randomly died. Cool.
Oh, that one band from like the 1980s.
Isn't Beatles also an animal?
Yeah, it's a beetle, a type of...
Hey Josh, watch this back.
What the fuck was that?
I think that's the hacker striking.
Yeah, like, I hate cool, is what that person is.
Okay, so I think it's playing all the sounds of disasters. What the hell?
This looks super cringy. It looks like me and this person are dating. So cringy.
I think that's the hacker.
Wait, Johnny's or Nothing is the hacker?
I think.
I don't think. Wait, did you see that person? Did you see her jump across?
Yeah, I think there's something wrong. Come on! I think there's something wrong with the sound effects currently.
Stupid enough to hack on their name.
Yeah, I think there's something wrong with the sound effects currently.
It's gonna cause severe
I
bleeding.
can't believe that the first lightning strike just killed me. The first lightning strike was just like, fuck you.
Let's see if I can just keep dodging.
But yeah, there's definitely something wrong with the sound effects. You know, what if that guy controls where the lightning strikes go? Maybe he just decided to kill me first.
Yeah, they're like, fuck you. That sounds so much like Arsenal. Oh no.
What the? I need to see that from your perspective. I need to.
That person's area that they were at just got struck by
Okay, I think these sound effects are still going. Should we leave? Or should we wait? Or should we? Or should we just wait for the? If these sound effects keep going for them too loud, maybe we just leave. Cause that'd be pretty annoying. And just join a new server.
Yeah, I don't know if I can even know. I just want to keep going. Maybe like 5 more rounds and then end off my video because I'm getting a little bored.
No, how long has it been? Like 10 minutes. That's not like 10 minutes.
I don't want to edit that long. I just want to make a short video. I don't want to do anything long because if it's long, then it's shit.
And that guy's dead. That's the best thing on this map. I do that every time.
Screw over people.
Let's go with the
I do
rocket
the
ship.
tablet while sitting inside the rocket ship.
You probably just explode.
Oh no. I used it.
Alright, someone press the button.
Okay, I'll press it. You do the tablet and see what happens. Oh shit.
No, I'm dead. Okay. I just.
It spawned on me.
Okay, then.
Oh no. What happened to this person? Oh no. This person got the free core blocks package. Oh my god. This person looks so scared. Oh my gosh. Imagine I see that in my bed at night. Oh
You can
no.
put it up with the 2 cards.
I don't think they're nice to the same video and it gets shitty.
I mean, if it's interesting enough.
I mean, I think it's interesting enough. Do 2 parts. I think I would just want to do 1 more round after this and then off the video and edit it.
Come on, we haven't been recording for that long.
No, I didn't say I'd do it for a long time. I just said I would do it.
Let me just go for like another 15 minutes.
Well, I'm not going to record it for another 2 minutes, that's for sure.
I can always play for another 15 minutes if I
I don't get bored. I don't get bored. If I get bored, then see you later.
How are you bored? Oh. Okay, these sound effects are going on for a pretty long time. How are you bored?
Oh, that person just died at the end.
How are you bored anyways? The tornado's still there.
1 more round and then I'm done. I'm gonna upload the video or edit it at some point.
The tornado's still going there. This tornado's still there. And it's here. Seriously, just 1 more round? Why 1 more round?
It's horrible to this. Alright, let's go.
Why 1 more round?
Alright, let's go. Because I don't want to make a long video. I can do stuff.
Why don't we at least just think so I can get a video?
If I realize it.
Okay, well, most things are kind of lame.
Oh yeah, this is gonna really be a blizzard out of all things. Come on, you can't even make it an interesting
I can
tornado. How the hell is a tornado with your music?
Mom's gonna show up here. What in the heavens is that noise?
What in the heavens? I think I actually said it was whoever awesome Alex is.
Is it still with an E?
Pretty sure there is an E. Oh, heavens. I don't know. I'm not good at spelling either.
This is kind of strange. These sound effects are kind of strange. What was that?
I don't want me to touch your hair today. What?
Uh-huh.
Oh, well, okay then.
I'm gonna go on top of the block. Hey Josh, you wanna join me on top of the block?
Yeah, let's go on top of the clock. I'll always be on time if I'm on top of the clock. I'll never be good at Would you cancel me if I said
Did you do that accent?
No, I did not have an accent. I'm not even doing that.
Did you
Well,
actually do that accent?
No, I did. I was eating the apple and I accidentally pressed the end.
Nice.
Well, anyways, I'll see you in the next video that will probably upload like a month from now. See you later.
Going back till I can finish my video. Going back.
I'll just be
No. No. Why? No. No, come back. Come back, please. Please, I want to finish my video.
I don't know if that video actually worked and it didn't go to shit.
Anyways, you missed a round.
That's your fault.
How is it my fault?
Because you didn't convince me to stay in the game earlier.
Okay, this is going on for pretty long. What are all these sound effects about?
Why does such beautiful noises?
There's gonna be an earthquake. I'm gonna leave. I'm getting out of here. Oh, two zombies.
Ah, yes, Lego
How about we get the higher? How about we get the higher ground? I can't imagine it being that stable. But I mean, come on. It's pretty high ground. Oh, this guy's not. Hey Josh, will you be able to see me from all the way over there? I want to see this from your perspective once I do it.
You just look like the pixelated. You look like the Minecraft fireflies.
Wait, no, let's continue looking at it.
You're just floating. I think you're gonna be the only survivor. Or one of the only.
I'm on the wild. I'm just floating. Do people see me? I'm just floating above.
You have ascended. Oh wait, I think there's some people down there.
And I survived.
Wait, how the hell did that Johnny person survive? Pretty sure it was in the lobby when I saw it.
And that was hard. This music is so beautiful. Yeah, I gotta say. Okay, let's do 2 more rounds. Oh, so we have a wide selection of maps here. We can either choose modest headquarters, or modest headquarters. Which one do you choose?
I choose that.
Screw it, I do this one.
Fuck you, you're such an asshole for not doing what I want. Fuck you, bitch. It's like that one SpongeBob SquarePants episode where they're like, you wanna go jellyfishing? No, fuck you, I wanna go jellyfishing. Oh, they didn't say the fuck you part because that would get demonetized.
We have such a wide selection of maps.
Well, it's gonna be the same map 2 times in a row.
Yeah.
I also do not enjoy life, so goodbye.
Up. Fine then. Oh, a tornado. Hello, tornado. Come on, run 2 more. No, 2 more rounds.
I'm getting here.
Just 2 more. Just 1 more round after this. Anyways, I'm alive. How did I survive that? I was literally, I was up there, and then the tornado killed me. And I was up there. The tornado did me, and then I still
The
survived.
tornado did me.
And I'm still. How am I alive? I do not deserve to be alive right now.
You're so stupid without all of that.
I did not deserve to be alive. I am the best. I'm the best robot. What is going on over there? What is going? What is that? There's something going on over there. It looks a bit strange. Oh, what the? No, everything's got sucked into a black hole. Everything is getting sucked into a black hole again. What is this, a sandstorm? And I survived. Somehow.
Oh yeah, that person is hacking. Hackers are so stupid. The moment we hack on, they're probably fucking idiot.
I mean, it's making this game pretty funny.
Yeah. I'd rather have this happen in real life.
Chicken wing. Saints toenails emoji.
Lipstick donuts. In what scenario do those two emojis?
Alright, well, this is gonna be the last game that we play.
For real, I cannot wait to go and sleep on the couch.
Can I wall hop? Wall hopping hog? Damn it! Wall. Damn it! Let's go down to the basement for a change of pace. We're in the basement now. I wonder what this after is gonna be. Thunderstorm.
I'm standing in a high place, and I'm gonna sit.
You know what? Screw this. So, to the basement. I'm going up to the top. Oh. Once I die, the video will end. Can't push me out. You don't fall off yourself. I'm gonna stand on this truss. Oh. You're gonna fall off on your own. There's definitely something wrong with the sound effects right now. I can't get them back